What's up, you guys? It's your boy Shu back at it again with another video. I'm about to go buy some sandpaper right now. I need to get started on that rear bumper for the S2000. I was gonna take a nap right now, but then if I take a nap and then I wake up later, it's already like 7 or 8 and can't really do much outside. I need to get some sanding down, and then I doubt I can spray anything with the amount of time that I have left for today. So yeah, I'm headed to Harbor Freight right now to go buy some sandpaper. Guys, it's freaking hot right now. I don't know how hot it is, but the sun is burning me. It's 86. Oh my god. If anything, I'm just gonna sand down the bumper and get it ready. I don't know how I like this camera anymore. I bought this it's called the lens hood. As you guys can see, the lens gets in the way, so I gotta like have it at 1.4 zoomed in, and so now it feels like I'm zoomed in way too much. I don't know. Harbor Freight, local Harbor Freight, always coming down, picking up some tools over here. Okay, so this is where they should have some sandpaper. Oh, it looks a little different. Is this sandpaper? Yep, yes it is. Alright, which ones do I need? Alright, I'm gonna be going with 1000 grit. I don't need anything too aggressive for what I'm doing right now. All I'm doing is getting the old clear ready for some new clear. I'm not gonna be painting the whole bumper, so this should be fine for that little project. Alright, I got the sandpaper and I'm driving Shadow today. We're probably gonna go out tonight since it is my night off, so that's why I'm not sleeping right now, because I'm trying to take advantage of the day of staying up instead of sleeping right now, not doing anything, and then sleeping all night. You know, it's just, I feel like it's a waste of day. So I'm trying to be as productive as I can, getting stuff done. I just don't like how dark, look, it looks so dark in here. Oh my god. Alright, so that's way better. I'm using the manual mode. Oh my god. I'm using the manual mode on the camera, and look how bright it looks. It looks so much better than when I first got here. Look, see, now you can see me. I just got to get used to this manual mode, guys, because if it's too bright it looks too weird, and if it's too dark, like this is what it would normally look like, and I want it to look like something like that. Anyways, I appreciate all of you who are still watching. I have noticed a change in the views that I get in my videos. So before, I was typically around 700 views per video, and if I was lucky, it would get over 1,000, which is pretty cool. But now I'm noticing that my videos are probably getting like 50 to 60 views, which is okay. I'd rather have people that actually enjoy my content watch it rather than just have a bunch of views on the videos. So pretty much what I wanted to say is the reason my content changed from strictly just car stuff and buying stuff for the cars is because of money. Like, everything's expensive now. Even to go out to eat, I can't believe how much money I spend weekly buying food, and just not even food, just junk food. Just junk food while I'm out, and I'm not even filling up on the cars anymore. Before, I would fill up maybe once a week per car and then just drive it around, make some content with that. But now I'm just like filling up the cars once a month. I'm not even driving that much. So yeah, my content has definitely changed a lot. I decided to take a different route and just do what's natural to me. Just do vlogs like today, you know, going to the store, picking up whatever I need, or if I'm with my daughter, just do a video with my daughter. And I was scared at first to switch up the content because of the views, but I found out that it was just not making me happy. So this makes me happy, just vlogging, just making a video, just recording a video and then later posting it is what makes me happy, and what feels more natural, what feels natural to me. So I again thank you to everybody who has continued to support the channel. If you guys see me out on the road, feel free to say what's up, you know. Guys, I got the majority of the bumper sanded down. It looks a little glossy because it's still wet. I was wet sanding, but I do have to clean it really well before I apply the clear coat tomorrow. It's not perfect by all means. Look at these little imperfections. This is what I was trying to fix. This is the damage the sun made on my bumper. The clear coat was just starting to peel, so I don't mind those little imperfections. Like I said, I'm not trying to make the car look brand new, but sanding it down and adding another 2-3 coats of clear will definitely help with that problem. So it'll help the paint last longer, and also I'll need to start taking care of this car, like doing some waxing and sealants and all this other stuff. Maybe some ceramic coating. I want to try ceramic coating. It's just so expensive. I might try it once I'm done restoring the car, I guess you would say.
I also
please ice cream at home.
May I also get a cheeseburger spread only? And then may I get a cheeseburger? You want a medium? Can I get a medium, doctor? Make it a medium.